Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are very fine. Welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to unbox our microwave stainless steel bowl set. It's in 3-piece, one is large, second is medium and third is small. So let's get learn more features. So it's from Oriflame. So guys, it's in multi-use, like it's used for storage something, it's used for mixing, it's used for serving, it's used for gifting, and this is a design for a complete completion lifestyle with microwave safe feature. You can see everyone, microwave safe. So now let's get unbox it. So guys, let's unbox. So let's get. I can't wait, guys. Oh my god. I'm very excited, everyone. Let's take this bowl. Yeah, everyone. So guys, first let's unbox this one. So yeah, everyone, this is an all-right plastic lid that keeps content fresh for a long time. So everyone, it have an interior mirror finish look. So guys, almost we have unboxed our small and medium sized bowl, and now it's time to unbox our large bowl. You can see this is large, this is small, and this is medium. So guys, this is not for cooking. So guys, it's only for reheating. So guys, it has multi-uses storage. And guys, it's easy to clean and maintain also. And guys, this is in stainless steel, you can see. So now let's cover it with the lids. You can see we are. Let's see the final look.